Today, I want to create this dashboard that's two worksheets stacked on top of each other. I'm using a parameter control here in the top right corner to switch between the sales worksheet and the profit worksheet. And I'm going to show you how we do that. Before we create everything, I want to do a quick overview. So here you see the profit worksheet. It has the green bars, and I have profit on the rows shelf. Over on the right, you see my parameter control, which has two values, sales and profit selected. And on the filter shelf, I have the sheet calc, which is a calculated field pointing to the parameter, and right now it's set to profit. The second worksheet is identical, except everything points to the worksheet sales. So the sheet itself is named sales, the parameter is set right now to sales, sales is on the rows shelf, and then in the filters you can see that that calculated field is filtering to sales. So the first thing I do to make this work is I need to create the parameter and a calculated field. In my workbook, I already have sales and profit worksheets created, and so I'm just going to go ahead and create the parameter. In the data pane at the top, I click the drop down arrow and I say create parameter, and I'm going to name this P select a sheet. You can call it anything you want. For the data type, I'm going to pick string, and then down here under allowable values, I'm going to say a list, and I'm going to just type in sales and profit, which are the names of my worksheets. And then in the bottom right corner, I'm going to click OK. And you can see now under parameters on the left, I do see my new parameter I created. I'm going to click on that drop down arrow and say show parameter. And now it appears on the top right. And I want to change the parameter control. So I click the drop down arrow and I do single value list. I think that looks better. So now I need to add my calculated field. So in the data pane again, I click on the drop down arrow and I choose create calculated field. And this time I'm just going to call it sheet calc. Again, you could call it anything you want. And I'm going to add in that parameter I just created called P select a sheet. And you can see it's purple, indicating that it's a parameter. And it does say the calculation is valid. And I just say OK. And now I want to actually use that on the filter shelf. So I'm going to first of all drag it up under my calculated fields. That's just a folder I use to organize my work. And from there I'm going to drag it onto the filter shelf, and when I drop it, the filter dialog opens and I want to choose custom value list in the middle here. And then I have a yellow bar that I can type in. I click in the yellow bar and I want to type sales. And then over on the right, I want to click that plus sign. So the only thing in here on this sales worksheet is going to be the sales option. And I say OK. And I'm happy with that. And then I'm going to go do the same thing on profit, but this time it'll have a profit filter. So I'm going to drag my sheet calc onto filters. I'm going to choose custom value list, click in the yellow bar and type profit, and click that plus symbol to add it. So again, I'm on the profit sheet and I only have profit, and I say OK. And I also want to show the parameter control on this sheet. So in the bottom left, I click on it and say show parameter. And I'm going to change it again to be a single value list. So now that I have my two worksheets ready to go, I want to add a dashboard. So for that, in the bottom tabbed area, I'm going to click on New Dashboard. And I want these worksheets to be floating. I'm going to stack them on top of each other. So you can see here, I'm going to put one worksheet just exactly on top of the other worksheet. And that's why I'm using floating. So what I do is I'm going to drag the profit worksheet onto the dashboard like that. And I'm going to resize it. And you can see here it also dragged over the parameter control. I'll just move that to the top right corner. And there's nothing going on in the chart right now because profit is not selected. So in the parameter control, if I click on profit, then I see the chart. And that's a good size for it, so I'm happy with that. Next, I'm going to add the sales chart. So I do the same thing. I drag it over onto the dash. I'm going to select it in the parameter control so I can see some bars, and I'm going to resize it so it takes up the whole screen. And just to point out, I don't have a title here. You might want to turn that off if you're lining them up or whatever. And you do want to be sure that your parameter control is showing. If you didn't turn it on earlier, you could do it by selecting the chart and then using the drop down arrow to open the context menu for the chart, and then you could do parameters, select a sheet. So that's one way to turn it back on. To actually test this, I'm going to just simply click on the parameter control, and you can see it switching between the two views. So that's how you would make a parameter control to switch between worksheets.